Next one, in exercise 10.1. Look at the question, children. Determine an initial basic feasible solution of the following transportation problem by northwest corner rule method. That is method, it is mentioned in the question itself. Now definitely you should follow that method only. Okay. See, look at the question. Bangalore, Nasik, Bhopal, Delhi, that is column. This is the question. Already I told you to put the box as per the question. 3 rows. 3 rows idla பண்ணும்போது you give more space. ஓகேவா, column wise போடும்போது நல்ல ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டுக்கோங்க, அப்பதான் இங்க லெஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுறது கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, how many columns we need? 50. ஓகேவா, so immediately after taking the data column, what is your first work, ma? Find the
total demand and total supply.
Total demand value. Total demand is nothing but the summation of 25, 28, 32, 25. Is it that? These values, these 4 values will be adding and we should give the answer here. What is the total?
120, miss.
120. And what about the total capacity?
120, miss.
Take the 30 plus 40 plus 50. They are equal. Then what you should? You must write like this. Total equal to total capacity. Then this problem is a balanced transportation problem. That statement you must write. Therefore, since total demand is equal to total capacity, this problem is a balanced problem. Okay, then what about the next step? Then there exists
Northwest corner initial basic feasible solution.
Then there exists the initial basic feasible solution. Initial basic feasible solution. This is what given in the heading question. Basic feasible solution. These are the initial steps must be followed when you are starting this type of question. Okay, everything is over. Then what about the first step?
Allocations.
Or corner cell. Corner cell is always when you are starting the problem. This is the corner cell. This is nothing but x11. The allocation, what you are going to do now, that is x11. Always remember that is c11. Okay, now c11 can allot x11. Okay, how we are going to allot it? It's the corresponding
Minimum values 35 and 30.
Minimum of 35 and 30 you should compare and pick out the minimum value.
30.
Okay, this number. Bracket. Okay, allocation. Subtract this allocated value from 35,
5.
30.
0.
So we are going to eliminate this row because exhausted
First row.
capacity முடிஞ்சு போச்சு 0 தான் இருக்கு capacity. So you are going to eliminate this first row by using pencil. Okay, use pencil and I eliminated this. Now we are getting just 2 rows, only these 2 rows. Okay, now in the 2 rows, which is the first cell, I mean corner cell.
5.
5 is the corner cell. This place is position என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க?
X21.
Very good. X second row, first column, minimum of demand and capacity. Minimum of demand.
5 and 40.
New value only are going to take for comparison. 5 and this 40. Respective values you take and write here and write the minimum of
5.
this number only you are going to allocate here. Allocation done? Yes, over. Okay, immediately after allocation, what you should do, children?
Subtract.
Subtract this 5 from here and
0.
the same subtraction should be done here also. So you'll get what? 35. Like, correct?
First column eliminated, miss.
Okay, very good. Here exhausted 0. So we are going to eliminate this first column. First time we eliminated first row because 0 is here. Corresponding row. Here column is 0. So we are eliminated this. And we get just 2 rows, 3 columns. Here out of this, which is the corner cell?
11.
11. Corner cell. அடிச்சது போக மீதி இருக்கிறத பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுல first corner. Left most first corner cell is 11. அதுதான் northwest corner. ஓகேவா? Northwest corner 11. What is this question, children?
X22. Second row, second column.
So allocation we are going to do for second row, second column. Minimum of this particular demand and capacity. Demand is
28 and 35.
and 35. New number only you should see for comparison. What is the number?
28.
28. Allocate this here. Okay, one. Okay. Then after this, what?
Subtraction.
Subtraction means what answer?
0.
0 is here. Then what about here, ma?
7.
35 8 is 7. What you allocated no here, that should be subtracted from 28. Answer is 0. The same subtraction here also 35 minus 28 is 7. Okay, ma? And one more step you are going to write here in the space. Okay, now which is exhausted?
Second column.
Second column exhausted. So let's take this. Now, 2 columns. Out of this, which is corner cell.
9.
Corner cell. Corner cell question. Second row, third column.
Second row, third column.
Minimum of that particular demand and capacity. Demand is 32.
32 and 7.
7. Comparing and getting
7.
allocate 7 here. Okay, subtract 7 from 32.
25. 25.
Okay, the same 7 should be subtracted.
0.
Here you will get what part? 0.
0.
Okay, va? Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Subtraction over. So which row or column is
Second row.
row 0 we received it. This particular row we are going to eliminate by using pencil. Okay, now we received only 1 row but 2 columns. Out of this, the corner cell is
7.
7. 7 க்கு allocate பண்ணணும். Which position is this?
Third row, third column.
Third row, third column. So X33. Minimum of what? Minimum of
25 and 50.
25 and 50. New number.
25.
25. 25 allocation done. Subtraction.
0.
Very good. What about here?
25.
50 minus 25 is 25. Okay, va? Yes, over. Now we are going
Third column eliminated, miss.
third column is eliminated because we received the 0 here. So eliminated by using pencil. Now we received only this element, boxes, cell. For that we are going to allocate. Now what we are going to allocate? Allocation. For which one?
X34.
34, very good. X34 is equal to minimum of 25 and
25, 25.
25. Or directly you can write X34 will be allotted with the 25. If you no problem. You can allocate 25 and immediately you must subtraction. 25 minus 25,
0.
25 minus 25, 0. That's all. Problem is over. I didn't write the heading for this X11, so on. So what is the heading, mark?
Allocations.
Definitely. Okay, ma'am. So we completed this problem. Then what is the next step after doing this?
Transportation schedule. Transportation schedule.
Shall I write it here? Transportation schedule. Let me start from here, children. First row, I mean Chennai to Bangalore. You must write in words. Chennai tends to Bangalore, Madurai to Bangalore.
Madurai to Bangalore.
You write in that full words, children. Again, Madurai.
Madurai to Nasik.
Wherever allocations done, no, that only will come children.
Madurai to Bhopal.
Madurai to Bhopal, is it visible? Yes. Okay.
Trichy to Bhopal.
Finally,
Trichy to Delhi.
okay, count the number of allocations in the diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 schedule given up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, correctly given. So immediately after this, what is the next step?
Total transportation cost.
Total transportation cost. Take the screenshot of this children. Should have this now?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Without the diagram, we cannot go for what for transportation cost. So I have here, let me continue here. Equal to product of
30 into 6
plus
plus 5 into 5
5 into 5
5 plus
plus 28 into 11
28 into 11
plus 7 into
plus
9
okay,
plus 25 into
plus 25
7
into 7
plus 25 into 13.
find the product using calcium
180,
plus
25,
plus
308,
mm,
175, 325.
what about the summation of this? Use calcium and tell me the answer children.
Thousand seven six, miss.
Concern 1076 what is your book?
Yes, miss.
Yes, I think it is correct. Correct only. So we need
Yes, miss.
fast work and repeated practice must be there, children. Then only it is possible to finish in time. Okay, va? Then let us move for next topic, least cost method. Last corner cell and the least cost method complete we'll see. Rub the board now.
Yes, miss.
Sorry, find the cell with the least cost in the transportation table. Allocate the maximum feasible quantity to this cell. Eliminate the row or column where an allocation is made. Repeat the above steps for the reduced transportation table until all the allocations are made. See, this is also with a lot of steps like northwest corner method. Okay, but we are going to do this problem within single step like northwest corner. Okay, நாம என்ன மெத்தட் அப்ளை பண்ணோமோ ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல போறதுக்கு the same step only we are going to apply here also. Shall I continue, children? Example 10.3. Look at the question. Obtain an initial basic feasible solution to the following transportation problem using least cost method. Whenever you get the questionnaire, see the question carefully. Type must be followed carefully. Least cost தான் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. போய் நார்த் வெஸ்ட்ல போட்டு ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னேன்னா அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்க மாட்டாங்க. They will not award any mark for your answer. Okay, so least cost method na underline that word. Okay, based on that only you are going to start the problem. First you take the table example 10.3. What is the table here? O1, O2, O3, origin, destination 1. See, I told you already, the column கொடுக்கும்போது ஸ்பேஸ் தான் நல்லா கொடுத்துக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் லிஸ்ட் பண்ணி எடுத்து கரெக்டா. ஓகேவா? D1, D2, D3 mark. And D4 also. Supply demand only here. Demand should be mentioned by using Dj and supply should be mentioned with what part? AI. The respective values in the box 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 5. Just one more. In least cost method, you search the table, find out the least number in the table. Table உள்ள இருக்கிறதுல எது least number ன்னு பார்க்கணும். Not outside.
1.
Demand and supply எல்லாம் பார்க்க கூடாது. You should see the elements given in the matrix. One is available in two places. You can take any one. இதை எடுத்துக்கலாம் or இதை கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம். That is left to your choice. I'm going to take this number only for allocation. Okay. So before starting allocation, what is the first step?
Total demand equal to total supply.
Using 4 plus 10, 18, 24.
24.
Okay. Then total supply 18 again 24 amma. So what?
Yes, ma'am.
Total demand is equal to total supply. Then it is here
Balanced transportation method.
transportation problem. So there existed
Feasible solution.
basic
Feasible solution.
Okay, now let us start. After completing all these initial steps only, we are going to move for allocations. Okay, allocation I'm going to take for least number available in two different places. You can take any one. I'm going to take this number. Okay, well, that place is X11. Here also you are going to check the minimum of these two demand and supply children. The respective demand and the respective supply. 4, 6 you should take for what? Allocation. Okay, so எப்பவும் போல தான் நம்ம minimum number தான் select பண்ணுவோம். But எங்க select பண்ணுவோம்னா minimum number க்கு corresponding row and column select. Okay, I'm taking 4 as a allocated number. Let me allocate 4 here. Allocation done. Subtract this 4 from 4. We get 0. 4 from 6. Okay. Now exhausted here 0 ma. So this particular column we will leave. That's all. Again we get only this part, children. This part. From this part, which is minimum find out. Which is minimum or least?
1.
1. Okay, very good. 1 for this one I'm going to allocate 1. Okay, but in the one if allocation should be done. What is the position? What is the position, ma? Third row, fourth column we are going to allocate. We are going to allocate for third row, fourth column, minimum of what and what? Minimum of 6 and 10. Correct? What is the minimum number? 6. Allocate 6 here. Subtract 6 now. 6 minus 6, 0. 10 minus 6, 4. Clear up? Which is exhausted now? Which is exhausted?
Fourth column.
Fourth column. Very good. Fourth column is exhausted. Strike out that column. Okay, now we get only these two columns here. Am I correct? Correct. These two columns. Out of these numbers, which is minimum?
2.
2 is now 4 places 2. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4 places to 2. You can select any one 2, no problem. Okay, I'm going to select this place. If you want, you can select some other 2 and check whether you are getting correct answer or not. Okay. Now I'm going to select this place for allocation. What is this place, ma'am? First row, second column. First row, second column. Minimum of what and what? Minimum of 6 and what, ma'am? 2. Minimum of 6 and 2. What is the answer, ma'am? 2.
2.
Allocate here 2. Okay, answer again. Allocate. Allocation over. Next, what is the work? Subtraction. 6 minus 2. This 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 0.
0.
0.
First row. First row la 0 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So strike out this first row. Okay va? Now what is you received here? 2 by 2 matrix தான் இருக்கு. Out of this which is minimum?
2.
2.
So again you are having in 3 different places. You can select any 1, 2, no problem. I'm going to select this 2. Okay va? Next 2. I'm going to allocate for this. What is its position? Second row. What? Third column. Correct? Is it correct? Second row, third column, the allocation is going to be done, and the minimum of its corresponding demand and supply. Demand is 8, supply is also 8. So the answer is going to be 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Here also 8 minus 8 is
0.
0.
So here we are going to leave both column and row. This is a new situation because we received 0 here as well as 0 here. So either the corresponding row should be deleted and its corresponding column also should be deleted. This is a new situation to you. Okay, now what we received? Everything is deleted. Ellame deleted. In the column, in the column, in the column, in the row, in the row. Just we received only this 2 as final step. Okay, va? In the 2, allocation. What is its position now? Third row, second column. Third row, second column. Minimum of, see here also 4, here also 4. Minimum you need not write it directly. You can write what comes. So here also you need not write this. Different number you can write minimum. Otherwise you can write the number, the exact number as it is. Okay. I'm going to allocate what here, huh?
4.
Very good. So 4 minus 4, 0.
0.
4 minus 4, 0.
0.
Final answer 0. Demand and supply. The problem is over. So allocation made, everything done. We are going to move for schedule now. Transportation schedule. Schedule please. O1 to D1, comma, O1 to D2, origin to destination. Next,
O2 to D3.
comma, O3 to D2,
O3 to D4.
then what you should do? Check the number of allocations done in the tabular column and the number of schedule given here. Let me check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Allocations made in 5 places. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 allocations done. Next step is what? Finding total transportation cost. Okay. Total transportation cost is equal to, as usual process only, 4 into 1, what? 4 into 1 plus what?
2 into 2.
அலோ பண்ண முடியும் உள்ள வந்து அலோ ஆக்க முடியலையா மேம்?
8 into 2,
4 into 2.
4 into 2, correct amma?
மிஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து டீச் பண்றீங்களா மிஸ்?
Okay, once again, yes. Again, na idu use பண்ணியே போட்டா கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும். ஓகேவா?
லைன் கட் ஆயிடுச்சு மிஸ், அதனால தான் மிஸ்.
Once again by rubbing this. அப்படியே போகணும். ஏன்னா இதுலயே சொல்லணும்னா we will get confusion. ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாதான் இது முடியும். இது சம் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கும்போது you should not leave the place. உனக்கு லைன் கட் ஆனாலும் இமிடியேட்டா சொல்லு, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் ஃப்ரம் த பிகினிங் தான் நான் சொல்லணும். நடுவில் இருந்து சொன்னா டெஃபினட்டா புரியாது. அதே மாதிரி போட்டுட்டு இருக்கும்போது நீ எங்கேயுமே எழுந்து போகக்கூடாது, எங்கேயுமே பார்க்கக்கூடாது, டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருக்கக்கூடாது, டைவர்ஷன் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்படி இருந்தா இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் டோட்டல் வேஸ்ட். ஃப்ரம் த பிகினிங் அகெயின் யூ ஷுட் டூ. ஏன்னா எங்க விட்டோம் எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் இதை பார்த்தா யாராலுமே கெஸ்ஸே பண்ண முடியாது. புரியுதா சொல்றது? ஏன்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஈஸி. அட் த சேம் டைம் எங்க நீ நடுவில் விட்டினாலும் உன்னால மறுபடியும் ப்ரொசீட் பண்ண முடியாது, கண்டினியூ பண்ண முடியாது. கம்ப்ளீட்டா முடிச்ச பிறகுதான் வரணும். இப்ப நான் முடிச்சுட்டு பேசுறேன்னா என்ன ரீசன்னா டோட்டல் டிரான்ஸ்போர்டேஷன் காஸ்ட் மட்டும் அதனால பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் இதுல பாதியில விட்டு வந்தா definitely I cannot continue. என்னால பண்ண முடியாது. Think about you. Okay, va? So let me explain this problem once again, child. No problem. Okay, right? Let us move to the final answer. 4 ones are 4, 4, 16, 8, 6. Find the total cost, children. 8, 8, 16, 16, 32, 38. Amma? Is this answer correct? 38.
Yes, ma'am.
Example some only, no? Yes, 38. Rupees 38 you should write along with the unit. Okay? This is example problem, no problem. Let me move to the exercise now. Exercise level with the simple method, you can take the screenshot of this. Taken?
Yes, miss.
Next, question number 7 in book, exercise 10.1, question number 7. Obtain an initial basic feasible solution to the following transportation problem by using least cost method. Here also method is given, so you must follow that method only for getting the answer. Let me start this now. So whether it is northwest corner rule or it belongs to least cost method or Vogel's method, whatever it may be, the starting steps are what, ma'am?
Total demand equal to total supply.
Total demand and total supply. Find out the total and tell me. Demand
100, miss.
plus 45. What, ma'am?
100, miss.
Okay. Here 25 plus 35, 60 plus 40, 100 here also 100. So what?
Total demand equal to total supply.
So it is here.
Balanced transportation problem.
Okay. So there exists
Initial basic feasible solution.
Okay, ma'am. Let us continue the problem now. Look carefully. Whenever you get a least cost method, LCM, least cost method, now immediately you should search the least number from this table column. Least number out of this given values is what, ma'am? 4.
4.
Okay, it should be allocated initially. So allocations. இதுக்கு தான் first allocation நடக்கணும். Allocation for second row and third column.
Third column.
Minimum demand and supply 45 and 35.
35.
And its corresponding supply 45 comma 35. What is the answer?
35.
Allocate 35 in this step. The cell 35 allocate. Okay, then subtract this 35 from this 45 and getting what, ma'am? 45 minus 35, 10. 35
10.
minus 5, 0.
0.
0. So where you receive 0 here, second row. So that particular row will be eliminated, exhausted.
Eliminator.
Using pencil. Elimination made. And now we are going to search for the smaller number, least number from the remaining values. Remaining 9, 8, 5, 7, 6.
5, miss.
5 is minimum. Very good. Minimum in the number allocation should be done. Okay. So this question is first row, third column. Okay, ma'am? First row, third column. First row, third column. This question. And this question, the numbers to be compared is 10 and what, ma'am?
10 and 25.
And 25 you should take and compare, find the minimum value 10.
10.
10 here. Allocation done. Okay, ma'am? Allocation
0, miss.
0 here in demand place. 10 minus 10, 0. 25 minus 10, 15.
15.
Okay, ma'am? Over. So this process is over. Where we receive 0,
Third column eliminated, miss.
after and eliminated. Okay, over. Then the remaining numbers 9, 8, 7, 6. இது எல்லாமே ஒரு
6.
லாஸ்ட் சம் நம்ம போட்ட எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ல ஒன்னொன்னு வந்து நிறைய முறை வந்துச்சு. நிறைய முறை இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பருக்கு நம்ம அலோகேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி போட்ட சம்ல 2 4 பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கும். எனி 1 2 can be selected and it will be allocated. No problem. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 1 ன்னு ரெண்டு இடத்துல இருக்கும். எனி 1 will be selected and allocation will be made. Right? So out of the 6 is minimum. For this only we are going to do the allocation now. Third row,
second column.
third row, second column. Minimum of third row 25,
25, 40,
minimum
25.
25. Allocation is 25. Okay, one. Subtract this 25. 25.
0,
Oh, here 25 minus 40.
15.
That's all. Where 0? Here.
Second column eliminated.
Eliminated. Only 9 and 7 we are adding. Is it not much?
7, miss.
That is minimum. This question is third row.
Third row, first column.
Very good. Minimum of this number.
30 and 15.
Minimum of 30 and 15.
15. 15.
Allocate 15 here. Okay. Subtract 15 from here.
15.
15 here. 15.
0.
So this row is eliminated.
Third row eliminated.
We get just
9.
only one number. No? That should be allocated. How we are going to allocate first row, first column. First row, first column. Minimum we are not going to write because we get here 15 and here also 15. Just allocate 15. Okay. If the both the numbers are same, you need not write minimum. Let us write just a direct allocation. The x11 will be allocated with the 15. Right? Okay, na?
Yes, miss.
Different numbers are the minimum of அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். Same number அந்த direct allocate பண்ணிடலாம். That number will be allocated. That's all. So, but the subtract and give the final answer children.
0.
0. Here also 15 minus 15 0. So final step, if you see all the ending numbers are 0. Okay, na? So that's all. Everything is over. Then what is the next step?
Transportation schedule.
Transportation schedule. Clear, Kanishka now? Is it clear?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
O1 D1, O1 to D1, comma, O1 to D3, comma,
O2 to D3. O3 to D1. O3 to D2.
O3 D2. That's all. Okay, let's check how many allocations made here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. எல்லாமே எழுதிட்டு செக் பண்ணிக்கோ. அதுக்கு ஸ்டெப் மார்க் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸ்டாண்ட் டோட்டல் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்டேஷன் காஸ்ட். Put equal to and start giving the answer. 15 into 9. Put plus 10 into 5.
10 into 5. Plus 35 into 4.
Plus 25 into 7, 15 into 7. Plus and finally 25 into 6.
25 into 6.
You can do the work and get the answer.
135, miss.
35 plus 50 plus
140.
140 plus 105 plus. Correct, 105.
150, miss.
Total.
$580, miss.
Answer.
Yes, miss. Correct, miss. Book answer.
Okay, pa. Okay, is there any other doubt here? This is 5 columns problem, question number 10. A, B. So as usual, start the problem with total demand. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus what 10, 18, 21. Is it 20?
Yes, miss. 21, miss.
Okay, then
4 plus 8 plus 9. 21, miss.
so total demand equal to total supply. It is a balanced transportation problem. Then there exists initial basic feasible solution.
Solution.
Using northwest corner rule, we are going to do this. So northwest corner rules or corner method will be followed to get the answer. Allocations shall we start now? Allocation.
Yes, miss. X11.
So first of all, very good X11.
Minimum 3 and 4, miss.
And 4. The answer is 3.
3.
Allocate 3 here. Subtract this 3 from here. 0.
0.
And subtract and write it
1.
First column is exhausted. Okay. Next column.
11.
11 na?
X12.
X12. Minimum of 3 and
1 and 3.
3 and 1 or 1 and 3. What is the minimum number?
1.
Allocate 1 here. 1 here. Subtract 1 from this 3. 2. Subtract 1. Here.
2. 0.
So which row is eliminated? First row.
First row eliminated.
This pencil. Final pencil lines are okay. Now we get only this numbers out of this corner cell 4. The column
4.
number the corner element.
X22.
Good. X22 minimum.
2 and 8.
2 new number 2 and 8. Is what one?
2.
Allocate 2 here. Allocation done. Subtract 2.
0.
So,
0.
6.
Super. Okay. Next, which is going to be eliminated?
Second column.
Second column eliminated.
7, miss.
7. Corner element 7 now. Second row. Third column.
Third column.
Column
4 and 6.
minimum of 4 and 6. Super. Okay.
4, miss. Minimum value.
Target 4 here. Subtract 4.
0.
Subtract 4.
2.
It's going to be eliminated.
Third column.
Third column eliminated.
This corner element now.
2.
2. Allocation.
Sec- second row, fourth column.
Minimum of what?
5, 2.
5 and 2.
2, miss.
What is the minimum number? 2. Very good. 2 you are going to allocate here. Okay. Subtract 2 and write.
3.
Subtract
0.
2. Okay. Now second row is going
Second row eliminated.
to elimination. Okay. Then
8.
8 is the corner elimination. Right? 8 we are going to do the allocation. We are going to give the
Third row, fourth column.
third row.
3 and 9.
Yeah. What is the answer?
3.
We allocate 3 here. Subtract 3.
0.
Subtract 3.
6.
Right. Last
Fourth column eliminated.
fourth column is eliminated, right? We get only this number. Both the numbers are same. So just the exact allocation is going to be given.
3, 5. Third row, fifth column.
Third row, fifth column. Exact allocation.
6.
I will write minimum of. Okay, va? So subtract
0, 0.
0. Must 0. Last layer the marandra, right? That's all over. Then what is the next step?
Transportation schedule.
Transportation schedule.
Okay.
P to A, P to B,
Okay.
Q to B,
Q to B.
Q to C, Q to D,
C Q to B.
R to D,
R to B.
R to E.
Total allocations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Shall we move the cost now? Total cost
Yes, miss.
equal to
3 into 2,
3 into 2 plus
1 into 11,
1 into 11
plus 2 into 4, plus 4 into 7
4 into 7
plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 8
into 8. 6 into 12. Last allocation. Okay, va? So answer 6 plus 11 plus 8 plus 28 plus 4 plus 24 plus 70.
72.
What is the answer?
Rupees 153, miss. Rupees 153.
Back answer.
Yes,
Correct, huh?
miss. Correct, miss.
Okay, ma, very good. Any doubt here? Northwest corner rule, least cost method, and compare idea confusion பண்ணிக்காத clear idea வச்சுக்கோ. Both almost the same method தான். Selecting place for allocation are different. Every time in northwest corner rule, we select the corner cell, and the least cost method, every time we select the least number from the tablet column for allocation. Okay? Any other doubt? No doubt. You are
Yes, miss. No, miss.
completion of classwork including example as well as ஓகேவா நம்ம என்னெல்லாம் முடிச்சோமோ அந்த கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்ல கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி send it in WhatsApp group. Okay?
Example also in classwork, miss.
Example, ma'am.
Everything you should send. ஓகேவா everything all the problems right அதுதான் முக்கியம். Clear?
Okay.
Yes, miss.
You take one more question as one for children. That is example 10.4 that also belongs to least cost method.
Okay, miss.
But you are going to do that example 10.4 also. Example 10.4. Clear?